Hello, my name is Todd Hurt, and I'm a Senior Product Manager at West Penn Wire.
And I'm Joe Shape, Product Line Manager of Bulk Wire and Cable at West Penn Wire. In this session, we will be discussing West Penn Wire Aquaseal cables and how they can benefit your business. For over 25 years, West Penn Wire has been the leader in indoor-outdoor communication, audio and video low-voltage cables. Our Aquaseal water-resistant cables allow cables to be terminated in an NEC, National Electric Code, indoor environment, then go outdoors in either a conduit or direct burial to another building within NEC requirements. We have two versions of our Aquaseal cables, AQ and AQC. AQC, like our AQC 224, can be installed in a building and ran outside within a conduit. AQ, like our AQ 294, can be installed in a building and run outside in a direct burial application to another facility.
There are many so-called Aquaseal equals. Most competitors implement a one-ply tape that does not offer the water blocking performance that our Aquaseal cables do. Our Aquaseal cables utilize a two-ply water blocking tape. This material is sandwiched between two tapes and will protect the internal components of the cable. This keeps the conductors and insulation from being exposed to water and the damaging effect the water can have on the insulation. The tape protects the electrical integrity of the cable and allows signals to continue to pass even if there's damage to the external part of the jacket. Aquaseal cables can be used in many different applications ranging from audio, line level speaker, communication, fire alarm, and video cabling.
We're now going to do a demonstration of how Aquaseal works so you can see firsthand the benefit of using our water-resistant products over the competitors.
So we're going to do our demonstration, and we're going to take our AQ 294, which we put two slits in the jacket, which could happen out in the field. And this is a dry without water being exposed, and this one we dipped it in water, and you can see how it has swollen up and not allow the water to ingress through the cable. Then we actually taken the two ends. This is a dry material, and then we dipped it into the water. And you can see how the material that's sandwiched between the two ply is still intact. Then we'll take a piece that has a dry, the water blocking, which is this is a two tape. There's a tape internally, is that right? Internal to the shield, and external. There's
yes.
A two ply on our AQ 294. We dip that in water, and once water gets into the material, you'll start to see the Aquaseal tape expand.
So Todd, what does water do to a cable when it gets wet?
Well, that's a good question. So water, if it gets into a communication cable or a line level audio, these cables have PVC or polypropylene insulation on the dielectric or the insulation. And these are hygroscopic materials, so if we get water into those insulation, it could affect your capacitance, your frequency response, and line level applications, could affect your video signal and video. So by having the two-ply water blocking tape, we'll eliminate or try to eliminate some of those electrical faults that you might have in a system.
So it seems like Aquaseal tape is pertinent for any type of install where it could get wet.
Absolutely, bud.
We want to thank you for your time, and to get more product information and installation videos, please visit www.westpennwire.com.